Making ono kalsoy for the first time in life. Let's see it's gonna be succeed or not. It's supposed to be because it's New Year. So let's get into it. Let's see. Noodle going in, and then this time is for soup. And I'm still like boiling those eggs to put it in. I do not have enough ingredients though, like to garnish, but it's fine. Look at that. Oh, smell delicious. Must be good. Alright, I like onions a lot, so 1 scoop. This is just for like trying right now, so I'm not gonna put a lot. And a little bit, like 3 scoops, like maybe it will be enough. Maybe 1 more. Okay, I think this should be enough. Okay, and then I think it's going to be ready, so I'm gonna put them out. All right, egg going in. So now it's time for some cilantro. And what else? I don't even remember. And lime juice and maybe some pepper flakes, but I'm not sure I have them. Let me see. So here it's a little bit garden for me. Some cilantro, you know. Green onions. Look at this is like growing. These are like eggshells. I think it's good for the plants. So right now it's like the rainy season and it's kind of colder, so I think that's why like they don't grow that much, but it's okay. So I'm gonna use a little bit of them. Oh, actually I think I have them in the fridge as well, so let's see. Okay, I still have some cilantro, so that is good. I'm gonna do off the camera. I'm cilantro team. I like cilantro a lot. I have some pepper flakes. I think this is not the right container, but that's okay. A little bit. Okay, it's so hard to do with a camera. Okay, got it. I have this spicy garlic oil. I'm not sure should I put it or not. Maybe a little bit. Alright, a little bit of it. So that is. Oh my god, my nails are so bad right now. Alright, taste test time. I think I should taste soup first. Oh my god, there's not enough. I think I might put it more, but you know. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wow, it's so authentic. I can't believe myself. Wow, mom, I can make this right now by myself now, which I really like. Noodle time. Doo-doo-doo. So good. And I have some chicken that I cooked. So I wish I could make for you guys. It's so good. The truth. I'm not lying. Wow. Oh, that's Merry Christmas. It just fell off right now because the tape right there, it's not sticking anymore. So I'm gonna continue eat this. Thank you for watching this. It is a success. Finally, it's New Year. It's supposed to be a success. So, all right, please enjoy. Yay! So one thing that I cannot find is the egg noodles. I really like egg noodles so much. Right now, the one that I'm having is, I think it's kind of the closest one, which is Chinese noodle, chow mein. But I really like egg noodles more. I'm not sure. Are there any differences? But the texture is totally different. So I really miss the one from back home. They're really good. But that's okay. So thank you so much all for watching me trying ono kalsur for the first time. I hope you all enjoyed it. Maybe, please. So see you in the next video, another video. Take care of your health. It's really important. Be healthy and happy. See you. Bye bye.